¿Qué queremos? Justicia climática. ¿Cuándo la queremos? Ahora.
In Cartagena, basic steps, and you start shaking your hands like this. Okay? On the sides, It's easy, right? It's easy. Now, you start. Make it sexy, make it sexy, make it sexy. Make it as sexy as you can, guys. Alright? Now, well, no more words, let's show you, no problem.
We just finished our Getsemani walking tour.
It was awesome.
Yeah, we learned a lot about the history of Getsemani, how it was created, but mostly around the revolutionary times with the leader Pedro Romero, and then how they freed Cartagena from the Spanish influence in 1811, and how 11 is an amazing number for a lot of reasons. Then the Spanish came back in 1815, and then they finally achieved independence in 1819 with Simon Bolivar.
It's great just walking the streets and seeing all of the graffiti art. We walked down this one street. The neighborhood actually put up umbrellas, and that was really beautiful. And we asked our tour guide, and he said that they collect donations for the umbrellas to keep up the beautiful project. So it was just really cool.
And so now we're off for lunch.
Gracias, señor.
So we just left the climate strike in Cartagena.
It was very passionate. A lot of people out. We're right outside Cafe Del Mar, which is a spot to see the sun. You can see behind us, we have the sunset behind us. So pretty. So we decided to take a break in Square, Santo Domingo.
Yeah.
And we saw some people going into what looks like a church. So we're gonna follow them.
Yeah, we'll see.
That was amazing.
Yeah, that was so cool. And so we went in and we saw there was performers and they were children.
You can interpret a dance, but like on a huge scale.
It was so cool.
It made you feel like all types of emotions.
They put their whole
Sadness.
bodies into it. It was fantastic.
It was amazing. Hola.
Car.
Encaro.